What was inside this 4,500-year-old pyramid, 450 feet above the ground, that made researchers send a robot and camera inside just to see? At one point, the robotic camera stopped because there was a stone slab in front of it. Researchers believed there was a hidden secret behind this slab that had been buried for over 4,500 years. They were determined to uncover it, so they attached a drill machine to the robot, which made a hole in the slab. A camera was sent through the hole, and it revealed a sight that no one had seen for the past 4,500 years. Welcome back to FAQ's videos. Egypt has a total of 138 of the tallest pyramids, which have survived dozens of earthquakes and dangerous storms over thousands of years, yet none of them have shifted even a little. The largest and tallest pyramid of them all is the Great Pyramid of Giza, covering an area of 31 acres. This means that astonishingly, more than 9 football fields could fit inside this pyramid. According to estimates, massive stones weighing up to 50 tons were used in this pyramid's construction, with a total weight of 6 million tons, equivalent to 12 Burj Khalifas. But what was the ultimate purpose of constructing such huge and magnificent pyramids? Thousands of years ago, when humans had no tools, how were the pyramid walls leveled inch by inch? How were 50-ton stones cut into square shapes and lifted without cranes to a height of 480 feet? How did engineers set these pyramids with perfect angles, including 51.5 degrees on every side? You'll find out in today's video. Let's start with challenge number 1. For centuries, different research teams worked hard to figure out how the pyramid's sides were set exactly north, south, east, and west without a compass. Experts believe that the architects of the time must have first found land capable of supporting the weight of millions of tons of stones. Then they used polar stars, the stars that help determine Earth's poles, to mark each side of the pyramid. Next, the challenge was leveling the land where the pyramid was to be built. If the land was even slightly uneven, building this mountain of 2.3 million stones would have been impossible. Although engineers had no laser levelers or bubble levels, they still managed to level the land perfectly. Experts believe water was poured around the construction site, and then the water levels from each side were matched to ensure perfect leveling. Challenge number 3. Now that the pyramid site was leveled and the direction set, the next big task was cutting the 50-ton stones into square or rectangular shapes. This was done using a special type of plant. Experts believe that the cutting tools used for the pyramid's construction were not made only of copper, but also contained a special chemical alloy. Challenge number 4. The stones, which we now know as limestone, 250 kilometers away in the city of Giza. Transporting these 50-ton stones was a problem, and no animals at the time could have helped with this task. Surprisingly, the stones were transported using sledges and boats. Challenge number 5. Experts studying the pyramid's construction had already solved many questions, but one still troubled them. How were such massive stones lifted to such great heights? Experts believe the construction plans involved using either a spiral track or a zigzag method to transport the stones to the top. Challenge number 6. It wasn't just about thousands of laborers. The pyramid also contained compartments, access pathways, and small tunnels. The mystery has now been solved. Experts believe that the granite was cut so precisely because they used toothless saws for the job. You'll learn more about this in the second part of this video. Make sure to comment part 2. We will meet again in the next video. Take care.